Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable 2FA for PayPal account step by step clearly. Open your web browser. Go to the PayPal website. Log into your PayPal account using your credentials. Once logged in, locate your profile icon in the top right corner. Click on the profile icon to open the account menu. Select account settings from the drop-down menu. In the settings menu, look for the security option. Click on security to access your security settings. Under the two-step verification section, you will see an option to set up. Click on setup to start the 2FA process. You will be prompted to choose your preferred method of verification. Select either a text message or an authenticator app. If you choose text message, enter your mobile phone number and click next. You will receive a verification code via SMS. Input the verification code in the provided field. If you select the authenticator app, follow the instructions to download the app. Scan the QR code displayed on your screen using the authenticator app. Enter the verification code generated by the app to confirm setup. Once completed, you will see a confirmation message. Be sure to save any backup codes provided for future access. Your 2FA is now enabled, adding an extra layer of security to your PayPal account. Log out and test the 2FA by logging back in to ensure it works correctly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.